Hello everyone, this is Samiksha Dapke, student of final year B Pharm. So I've just completed my 3 months of internship at a firm called Innovate Healthcare India Private Limited. So this is a laboratory equipments and medical devices company which is based in Pimpri-Chinchwad. So whatever knowledge I had gained in 4 years of my B Pharm, I could really apply it in the day-to-day tasks that I was assigned there. And this internship proved to be a very smooth transition for me from college to the real world. And I also realized of what is expected from us once we pass out from college. So I really thank my college DYPDPU Pharmacy to provide me with this opportunity and help me in any obstacles that I had.